Hello there, welcome back to SwagCade. In this video, we'll be solving the first lab from the level 1 from the February Arcade 2024. So here, I have pasted my email and password. And now we will be clicking on the I understand button. Now we'll be waiting for a sec. Till the page loads, I want to tell you guys to like and subscribe the channel and support my channel to the fullest. So here is our page. Now we'll check this checkbox and then click on Agree and Continue. After this, we will activate our Cloud Shell. Now let us wait for it to be activated. It will take at least 5 to 8 seconds to load, so let us wait for that. And then we'll continue solving this lab. Don't worry, this is a short solution. Here it is. Let us click on Continue, and I'll maximize the view and then click on Got It. In the meantime, here's the code to solve this lab. I'll be giving all of this in the description, so do not worry. Now, for the region, head back to the lab and copy this region. After doing that, come back to your notepad and paste it here. Now copy all of this code and paste it into the Cloud Shell and hit Enter. After hitting Enter, it will ask you to authorize, so we'll authorize it. And now we'll wait for this code to run. And once it's completed, we are done with this lab. Make sure there is no extra space before and after this equal to sign. I'll recommend you using an online notepad. It will be done shortly. And there it's completed. So now, let us head back to the lab and we'll check our progress for the first task. And we'll get a score without any issue. Now for the second one too. There we go. And for the last one. Hooray! Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you liked the short solution which I provided. Like, share and subscribe the channel for more. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you liked the short solution which I provided. Like, share and subscribe the channel for more.